Kool-Aid Man 1986 here. Okay, my brother's stupid as fuck. We're at the Chinese buffet. Y'all can see, he just went and fixed his big ass ice cream. He gonna try to eat all at once and see how long it takes me to brain freeze. So, I hope y'all enjoy. Here goes.
You ready? Do me a little countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Boom. My serious dog. I'm done.
You didn't make it very far. You suck.
Cold.
So what happened?
My teeth got frostbite.
What happened to your epic?
Tears running down from my eyes.
Your epic fail.
How cold it was.
Your epic fail. Chinese guy.
They had an ice cream machine on extra freeze.
Okay. He picks it up off the plate.
Alright, that's it.
Are you sure?
Peace.
Put a napkin on it.
Rest in peace. To my friend ice cream cone.
To my friend ice cream cone.
That's your cue to turn it off. If you didn't know, I'm out of here. Bye.
Bro, you gonna break my phone. You gonna buy me a new one?
Yeah,
it's still recording.
Nah, you're gonna have to edit that out.
It's still recording.
I'm gonna walk out.
I'm about to look like a chair.
So you about to see this fuck, bro. I might walk out. I swear to God. I stop recording, bro. We need to keep recording. I'm not putting that down. I would eat this shit.
Oh shit! Oh, bro. You gotta calm down, man.
I'm done. I'm out. I'm gonna walk out.
Hey, where you going?
Alright, bro. I didn't finish my Coke. Gotta come back for my Coke. They wanted to leave. Alright, matter of fact.
Wow! $20.
Oh, that's not bad.
What's your fortune cookie say?
I'm out of tea. You ever seen that movie Fortune Cookies? With the mom and daughter into the movie. It'll take half of their Jeremy.
That's not fortune cookie.
What is it?
Freaky Friday.
Well, here.
I ain't taking half of that.
I'll put the other half on your plate. Oh, you Spanish. Oh, not this time. Okay. A monkey in a silk dress is still a monkey. It's pretty obvious. And for all my Hispanic people, because you're under
Chinese.
No, it's not, bro. It's Spanish.
You stupid, bro. Alright, y'all. Peace out. We're about to go. See y'all later.